2 steps backward. We use big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be rocking another unit from RPGSHOW. I forgot what wig I ordered, so I'm excited. I didn't even open the box to see what I got. Let's go ahead and take a look. This is a Yaki highlighted straight full lace unit from RPGSHOW. That means the lace covers the entire scalp area and you'll be able to part this unit in any style that you can imagine. I was so excited when I opened the box because the quality full lace units are really hard to come by. The knots on this unit are bleached and the hairline is pre-plucked. As always, it's mandatory that I straighten the roots. Look at that part in space. She's a beauty. There's free parting throughout this wig. You can even wear it up in a ponytail. Let's try this unit on and give you guys a closer look. Okay, let's go ahead and cut the lace on the side. Okay, I just want to give you guys a glimpse of the lace. This is their Swiss lace. It has a tinted, transparent, medium brown color to it. So it's going to help it blend better with my skin. Now I'm ready to lay it down. So I'm going to lay down this unit using my Wonder Lace Bond in Supreme. As I had the travel size, and it was really the first time I used it, and I actually like it. I feel like it leaves less shine to your forehead area, but we'll see. Make sure there's no makeup or residue. I'm going to place the lace. I don't like the lace to be too low on my forehead. Add wax stick, flatten the roots. I'm gonna add some concealer before I forget. Take the elastic band off. Now I'm gonna cut the lace using this razor comb. I saw someone do this on TikTok. I'm gonna give it a try out and see if it makes a difference. I'm gonna let y'all know the real deal. You always want to make sure that you completely dry your hairline before applying the elastic band. This is going to help minimize having that white crusty layer that tends to form. I'm going to put it back on again to double melt it. And while that melts, I'm going to go ahead and start styling. Those aren't giving me the curls I want, so I'm just going to go in with my curling iron.
When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this shit fly? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb, too upset to drive.
I'm going to cut some light layers in this hair.
ain't coming, don't wait up. Trying to get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Can't ignore my intuition, baby. I know you're typing every game you try to play. You know you could get replaced, ayy. 'Cause I won't track around, no dead way. Hit up my girl.
Let me add the foundation back to my forehead. This is the final look. So I was going to try to do something that highlights the parting space, but honestly, I don't know how to do my own hair as far as styling with like ponytails and braids and stuff. I could do it on other people, but for some reason I be struggling to do it myself, and my daughter's not here to help me. So this is what y'all gonna get. Y'all gonna have to use the mannequin, okay? And use your imagination. Okay. Okay, so let me get into the deets of the hair. So this is a 20-inch Yaki. As I mentioned, this is units from RPGSHOW, none other. And the particular cap size I'm wearing right now is 21.5 to 22-inch head size. My head size is a 22-inch. It fits really nicely. It doesn't fit big and it doesn't fit tight. This is their full lace cap. It's the standard density, and the lace that I'm color is the tinted transparent Swiss lace in medium brown. Now, I will say that the hair did have like some flyaways on the top, so I had to go over it with the flat iron to lay it down. So you will need to do that, you know, make sure you get you a wax stick. Well, it came with a wax stick. I'm not sure if it comes in the package or if that's sold separately. But by now, if you wear wigs, you should have a wax stick. If not, I'm sure they sell it. And you're going to make sure you want to have a wax stick, use your hot comb, and lay down those flyaways. Other than that, this hair is a really nice density. I actually really do like this density. I'm going to stand up so you guys could see where it lays on me. Because it's Yaki, I feel like it gives like a nice, full, natural look. And I'm actually digging these curls. I wish I would have did a side part, but I'm not mad at the middle part. It's okay. I'm sure the side part would have really ate, but the middle part is handling its business. It's doing what it needs to do. Now, as for when I use this razor comb to cut the lace, you don't need it. You know, if you've been cutting the lace with the regular razor and the scissor, you could keep doing that. However, I did feel like this was a little easier as far as helping me cut closer to the hairline without cutting the lace. And I will probably use this going forward. So if you're interested in this as well, I'll have it linked in the description box with everything else. As far as the hair, it's beautiful. This is a nice highlight color that's added. It's not overdone. Yeah, I actually really like the color. And it's a full lace unit. So the styling possibilities are endless. You know, as much as you style your hair, you can style this wig. I don't style my personal hair like that. So guess it makes sense why I don't really be styling my wigs like that. I really should get into doing more hairstyles, but quite frankly, who has the time? But I do love the fact that I can wear it up in a ponytail. So when I go to the gym, I can just pull it up in a ponytail and go on about my day. Now, this is RPGSHOW. So you know, this is creme de la creme. RPGSHOW is, I think it's my top vendor as far as wigs as of right now. So they are a premium product and it might come with a premium price. You have to make the decision of whether or not it's worth the investment. But if you are interested in purchasing this unit, as always, I'm going to have everything linked in the description box down below. But before we get out of here, I'm going to need y'all help naming this beauty. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed in my last video. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. And if you're not already part of the Faithful fam, hit that subscribe button before you leave. And while you're at it, why don't you check out these videos? You might enjoy them as well. As always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.